What's up guys, this is Shan Heather, and in this video I'm going to show you how to unlock your Huawei Nova 7, 7 SE, Nova 7 Pro or any of the Huawei or Honor smartphone if you no longer remember the PIN, password and you are logged out of your device. So let's start it. So here is my Huawei Nova 7. Let's assume I no longer remember the PIN or the password and am logged out of my smartphone. So to remove any kind of security from your device, you have to perform a hard reset or factory reset. But since you are logged out of the device and you have no access to the setting, you cannot do this. So I'm going to show you how to do this right from your lock screen. But you have to keep in your mind that whatever content you got on your device will be deleted. So once you are at the lock screen, the very first thing you have to do, you need to switch off your device. So press and hold the power key for a while, and after that tap on power off twice. Now when the device is switched off, you have to press the power key and the volume up key together. Press and hold for a while like this. Once the Huawei logo appears, you can remove your finger from the power key but keep pressing the volume up until this screen appears. So now we are inside the recovery menu of the device, and here you can see that we got few options like restart, clear data, update mode and the safe mode. So we have to go to the clear data, and to navigate between the options you have to use the volume keys. So press the volume down to go to the clear data. After that press the power key to select it. On the next screen you will find the option factory reset, wipe cache partition. So use the volume up key to go to factory reset and then press the power key once. Then on the next screen it will ask you to type the word yes as your consent. Once you type yes, after that you have to tap on factory reset, not the done or go back. And you can see that the factory reset process is started. And the reset is successful and we are back to the previous screen. Now we have to go to the main screen of the recovery menu. So use the volume down key to go to the back option, press the power key once, and now use the volume up to go to restart and press the power key one more time to select this option. Now the device will restart, and once the restart process is finished, we will have a brand new smartphone in terms of content, and the whatever security you had on your device will be deleted. But you need to keep one thing in your mind, that you will have to start fresh with your device. So whatever stuff you got in the internal storage, the application, the files, images, videos, everything will be deleted now, and you will start fresh with your device. And here we go. So you can see that we are starting fresh with our Huawei Nova 7, and we have to do all of these settings once again. So I'm just going to go through all of these settings, and after that we will see whether we are still going to face the issue of lock screen password or it's already resolved. And here we go. So you can see that I got the access back to my Huawei Nova 7, but everything is deleted. I'm starting fresh with my device. Whatever content, third-party applications or the picture I had, everything is gone, and it's a brand new device in terms of content. But the good part is that the lock screen password is removed and I got the access back to my device now. You can use the same method on Huawei Nova 7, 7 SE, 7 Pro or any of Huawei smartphone. So that's all for now friends. Thanks for watching this video. If you found it useful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, subscribe the channel, and do not forget to press the bell icon as well to get the notification for future uploads. And I'll see you guys next time in another video. Have a nice day.